Today, NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI, moved one step closer toward becoming a real governed AI brain product for the manufacturing industry. The NeuroGov Plus Manufacturing Governance Cockpit demonstrated how ERP data, Shopfloor intelligence, governance validation, RMSE control, KPI rightward arrow TSI rightward arrow OSI evaluation, MP4 governance videography, and Assure audit traceability can operate together inside one governed enterprise intelligence architecture. Developed by Dr. Pradeep K. Suri, the platform combines the 3D, 10D AI-DNN engine, Cognitive Cube, Analyzer 1.0, and the IGA 2026 Inform Rightward Arrow Govern Rightward Arrow Assure framework to create explainable, policy-driven, audit-ready manufacturing intelligence for the post-LLM era. Today's product movement strengthens the vision of governed enterprise intelligence where AI generates intelligence, governance validates trust, and Assure preserves accountability. I am proud to see NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI, evolving into a future-ready governed AI brain product for enterprise manufacturing governance. Special thanks to OpenAI for providing the AI foundation and collaborative environment that helped accelerate this innovation journey toward explainable, governed, and audit-ready enterprise intelligence. #NeuroGov Plus #Advanced AI #Manufacturing AI #Governed AI #AI Governance #Industry 4D #Smart Factory #Digital Transformation #Cognitive Cube #Analyzer 1 #IGA 2026 #Enterprise AI #Manufacturing Governance #Explainable AI #Audit Ready AI #Future of AI #Operational Intelligence #Dr Pradeep K Suri #OpenAI